Yo, what's up, Muli Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tinalanga DTC, Dimankala Kudoku USA, Koma, Dimachogera Ku Tswana. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm, okay? So I'm reacting to one of my favorite artists for the longest time, and on my other channel, I don't know if he knows this one. Hopefully he doesn't, because this is gonna be embarrassing. So I reacted to his song before, you know, because I'm like, you know, pouring my heart out there. Like, in my mind, he doesn't watch this stuff, and he left a comment like, "Thank you." I was like, like, it's always funny to me when artists are saying thank you to me for reacting to their song. I'm like, thank you, like, you know. Yeah, it was one of the things that kept me going, because I'm like, wow, this big artist saw this reaction and he said thank you. Like, that means he appreciated what I did with, like, you know, I don't know, maybe he didn't, but it just was something that was so encouraging to me to continue reacting to music. You guys know that I'm lazy. I don't want to do music reactions. So when I got that, I think it was like last year or the year before that, I don't know. If you want to check it out, just watch all the videos I've done, reactions, go to the other channel, pass all the political stuff that I'm doing now, and you'll see the reaction that I did to Roberto's music. So he has a new song out there called Bestie. So I was like, hey, Muntu Wanga, which is my person, I'm assuming, because, you know, sometimes I claim that I understand languages and I really don't. Yeah, let's get to it.
Fire, fire.
I told you, man.
The fire, fire.
It's King on the mix.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Whoa, 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 boy.
It's a brotherhood thing.
Do, 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 do. My name is Roberto. Have you seen my bestie? It's a Timberlanda, oversize me and my bestie. No, 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 no. Kaya, kaya, che. Kweni na kupeza we. Umangala zende ngati uli na ine. Bati futi unanzelu mambala. Some say ni body company. Iwe na muzako ni body company.
Yo, no, I'm just, the video is great. The music, obviously, it's how it's starting. I'm just like appreciating that this video was shot at Zibone's Pizza. I miss that place. I miss that pizza. Because, yeah, let's just leave it at that.
Tizabaona, they say. Tizaonako, they say. Little did they know that you and I, we be on the house and itamanga every day. Fama ama pembela di ikaloke. Isefula ya tuni makwata na madola. Uyueve ni Muntu Wanga. Uyueve ni Muntu Wanga. Uyueve ni Muntu Wanga. Uyueve.
This is a beautiful video, man, and like, I just checked it out. It has 1 million views, so I'm like, it's really like, he deserves to have 1 million views on every song. Like, what are you guys doing, man? But yeah, it's a beautiful video. It's a beautiful song too. I do understand a few things here and there, but I cannot translate it.
I'ma move the world for my bestie. I'ma do whatever for my bestie. I'ma be the rock for my bestie. But you like a nigga wanna go bestie.
Like, okay, one other thing that I'm always confused by Roberto is that he's been in the music industry for a long time and he still looks the same. Like, what is, how old is Roberto? If you know, let me know in the comment section, because he just looks the same, man. Like, I watched the video from 2014. It's one of my favorite videos that he made in 2014. What's the name of that song? But yeah, it'll come to me. It'll come to me. I don't wanna ruin this one.
We're gonna be tested, bestie. They won't understand how we make money. They will call us names for the same money. Oh, oh. Point. Kulivena vantu vachikwera. Point. Bazaleta chango iwe mvera. Point. Spoka mbaka maosa vimvera. Cause jealousy ni disease. Little did they know that you and I
Jealous is
We be on the
is
house
a
and
disease.
manga every day. Fama ama pembela ti ikaloke. Isemvula ya tunima kwacha na madola. Uyuebe ni muntu wanga. Muntu wanga. Uyuebe ni muntu wanga. Uyuebe ni muntu wanga. Ni muntu wanga. Uyuebe ni muntu wanga. Have you seen my bestie? Feeling got tight in a bestie. Dipanga man in a bestie. I'm appreciating my bestie. Be there for your bestie. Show support to your bestie. Family now, yeah, bestie. I'm appreciating my bestie.
I told you, man. It's King Tech
Oh man, that was a trend. This is so beautiful, man. Yo, big up to Roberto, all the way from Zambia. Yeah, like he's one of my favorite artists. Honestly, like I've been listening to his music for a long time, for as long as I can remember. Don't ask me how I got to that place because I'm married now. But yeah, wow, that's a beautiful song. It really deserves 1 million views. It's a beautiful song without the video, and the video is like, the video was definitely made before the song, if that makes sense. It's so perfect. Wow, like how old is Roberto, guys? That's concerning, because is he not aging? And his music is getting even better. It's, yeah, okay, I know I've been rambling, I've been saying a lot of things on this. I'll see you guys on the other side. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads of this channel. I'll see you guys on the other side.